The P0420 code indicates that the catalytic converter system's efficiency is below the threshold for bank 1. In simpler terms, it means that your vehicle's catalytic converter isn't working optimally to clean the exhaust gases before they exit the exhaust pipe. The catalytic converter is a key component of your car's emission system, responsible for transforming polluting gases into less harmful substances. When this code appears, the check engine light is the most obvious symptom. However, you may also notice a decrease in engine power, increased fuel consumption, or even a rotten egg smell coming from the exhaust. So what do we do if we get the P0420 code? First, don't ignore it. Ideally, check the code with an OBD2 scanner to confirm that it is the code. Then, there are several steps to follow. First, check for leaks in the exhaust system, as a leak before or after the catalytic converter can skew the oxygen sensor readings. It's also crucial to inspect the oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter. Sometimes a faulty sensor can send incorrect readings and trigger the code. In some cases, regular maintenance or injector cleaning can improve combustion and therefore the performance of the catalytic converter. However, in most situations the P0420 error usually points to a faulty or failing catalytic converter. It's essential not to ignore this code. If you let it go, not only will your vehicle be polluting more, but you could also face a significant decrease in engine performance, excessive fuel consumption, and, in the long run, more serious damage to other engine components. Replacing a catalytic converter can be expensive, so it's best to address the problem early.